Receiving your first 100 sales on Etsy is possibly just as important as the products that you have in your store and the quality of the products. Before we get started, remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Etsy, as well as Redbubble, as well as Shopify. So the question is why? Why do you need 100 sales on Etsy to be successful on the platform? And quite simply, it's because it builds trust. Think of it this way. If you went on an Etsy store and you only saw that they had 2 or 3 sales, no reviews or anything like that, you would not trust the store as much as another store on Etsy that has 20,000 sales or 3,000 sales, 500 sales, and so on. How can you receive 100 sales on Etsy? Number one, offering the best quality products. So if you have a product that no one else can find anywhere else, or if you have a variation of a certain product like a Christmas ornament, or if you have a great sticker design, if you have a great customized blanket, or if you have a great customized canvas, so this is a great thing that you could do to accumulate more sales on your Etsy store, to offer the best quality products, number one, and to offer the most unique products. Another way you can accumulate more sales on Etsy and accumulate those first essential 100 sales is offering trending products. What is hot? What do people want to buy? What is the best thing that's selling right now? All you need to do to find this stuff out is just a simple Google search, a search on Kickstarter, trying to find the best products on there, the products that are getting the most attention and the most, views on either Google, Kickstarter, or even on Etsy itself or on eBay, Amazon. What products do you personally want to purchase? Is there a way that you can accumulate sales by a hole in the market? Is there something that the market is not offering? Is there something that you need in the kitchen? Or is there something that you need in the bathroom or something that no one else has, like a certain tool or something that you can make yourself, or that you can get someone to make for you and you can personally design yourself? That is how you get 100 sales, is to offer something that no one else has in the market. No matter what you're selling, this is across the board, no matter what. Stickers, t-shirts, bathroom products, kitchen products, it doesn't matter. This is by far the best way you can accumulate 100 sales, is to offer something that nobody else has, and a unique product. Another huge way that you can accumulate 100 sales very quickly is to offer a certain product like canvas for basically at cost, or just enough that you can make enough money on the certain product that you're selling. Or you can offer the product at an extreme discount, just so you build up momentum and get those first 10, maybe to 20 sales. And then from there, you can just raise the price, as you go on. And so more people get the reviews. So more people review your item, which is extremely essential. I cannot even explain to you how essential reviews are on Etsy. It is one of the most essential things on your store, because, it can go either way. If you get 1-star reviews instead of 5-star reviews, your store can basically die. So you definitely want to get those 5-star reviews. Luckily, I've been able to accumulate 5-star reviews, and I've been able to keep my stores going on Etsy with those 5-star reviews, and to offer the best customer services possible on Etsy. And that's another point too, is to offer the best customer service on Etsy possible to get those first 100 sales. That's essential. Customer service is huge on Etsy. You need to respond to all the messages on Etsy. Remember to ship the item out as soon as you can, within 3 days. That is another huge point also to accumulate your first 100 sales. Get the item out quickly, guys. This is huge. Another way to accumulate 100 sales is, yes, get friends and family to purchase certain items on your Etsy store. And in fact, you don't even need to offer items at like $100 or $200, whatever it is, $20. You could sell items, like digital items, to friends and family at 20 cents. You know what I'm saying? $1. That's a great tip, guys. That's probably one of the best tips I can give you to accumulate more sales on Etsy, because the more sales that people see on your store, the more people would trust you on Etsy to deliver the best quality product, and to deliver the product in general, basically to their house. They as a customer, you definitely don't want to go through the Etsy customer service desk itself. You definitely want, the trust. And so accumulating 10, 20, 50 to 100 sales, the more sales you have on Etsy, the more the customer has trust in getting the item and purchasing from you, the seller. So let's review, guys, okay? Ship the item out very quickly, essential, provide the best customer service, offer extreme discounts, and then eventually when you get the 10 to 20 sales, then you can put the item out at, the regular rate. Just to offer extreme discounts, that's a lot better for you in the long run because, again, if you do not have past sales on Etsy and you do not have that number on the very top of the screen that says, let's just say 500 sales, 1,000 sales, 10,000 sales, you're probably not going to get that many sales right away. So the more sales that you have, 75 to 100 sales, that's like right where you want to be when you're first starting to get those first 75 to 100. And offering, those discounts just to start off, and then you can eventually raise the price as you go on Etsy. That's a humongous thing. Offer trending products that people want to buy, unique products. And again, to round it out in the recap, to get friends and family to purchase items on Etsy. This is humongous. To get those first 5 to 10 sales. I mean, once you get those first 5 to 10 sales, you can get those 20 sales, then 30, and so on and so forth. And the customers that are looking at your shop on Etsy will trust you a lot more. There's a ton of competition on Etsy, guys. This may not be the easiest thing for you depending on what you're selling to get those first 100 sales. So it might be time to just, take a step back and listen to what I'm telling you. Trust me, I've been through this multiple times before to get my first 100 sales. And it's, sometimes it's just never easy. Sometimes it's just never easy unless you have the knowledge to be able to accumulate, those sales on Etsy. Once you're selling, once you know what you're doing, once you have that great niche product on the Etsy shops, you're going to be just fine. But, to accumulate those sales right away, it might be a little difficult. So just have some patience. Don't get distraught. Everything's going to be fine. Everything's going to be just fine. Trust me, you're going to get there as long as you sell a product that the market needs. So it doesn't matter what you're selling. This goes from across the board. Market need is the number one priority when you're selling on Etsy, Shopify. Doesn't matter what platform you're selling on. It's number one. That is key. So what do you guys think? Remember to comment below what has worked for you on Etsy. Remember to subscribe for a lot more of these videos, including Etsy, Shopify, how to make money online, passive income, all that great stuff. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching this video. Remember to leave a like down below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, everybody.